The sky turned gold as the class moved ahead. Through the glades where the soft leaves spread, Mateo walked slow, his heart beating tight. The bridge up ahead filled him with fright. The plank stretched long over waters deep, where shadows below seemed to stir and creep. His friends crossed easy, step after step, but Mateo froze, filled with regret. Miss Reyes knelt with a gentle tone. You don't have to face it all alone. Just take one step, trust in your stride. Fear gets smaller when you stand with pride. He took a breath and stepped real slow. The wood held strong, sturdy below. Step by step, his fear fell away, and on the other side, he felt okay. Bravery means pushing through the fear, taking small steps till the path is clear. 1 foot forward, take it slow. Face your fears, let your courage show. Stand up tall, keep your head held high. You are stronger than you realize. That afternoon, as the school day closed, Mateo felt anxious, his worries rose. Tomorrow there's speeches, Miss Reyes said, but fear filled Mateo's heart with dread. What if I freeze? What if I shake? What if I make many mistakes? So off to the park he ran real fast, looking for Sparrow, a friend built to last. Under a tree where the music played, MC Sparrow rapped in the Everglades. Sparrow, he called, how do you stand tall? How do you speak with no fear at all? Sparrow just grinned, it's just like before. One step at a time, it opens the door. Stand up straight, breathe deep in your core. Look in their eyes, be ready for more. Bravery means pushing through the fear, taking small steps till the path is clear. 1 foot forward, take it slow. Face your fears, let your courage show. Stand up tall, keep your head held high. You are stronger than you realize. The next day came, his name was called. Mateo stood up, feeling so small. His hands felt shaky, his breath drew tight. His classmates waited, eyes big and bright. Then he remembered, 1 step at a time. Just like the bridge, just like the climb. He straightened his back, took a deep breath, spoke the first words, let go of the rest. 1 line, then 2, his voice rang true. The fear was fading, his strength broke through. By the last word, he flashed a smile. His voice had power, his heart felt wild. The class all cheered, Miss Reyes beamed, Jonah clapped, that was supreme. Mateo laughed, the weight was gone. He faced his fear and now moved on. Fear may rise, but don't step back. Make 1 move, stay on track. It's okay to be scared on the inside, but take that step, turn the tide. You're strong and brave, don't forget, stay true. Every fear can be met, step by step. Face what's rough, soon you'll realize you're enough. The next day at recess, the trail lay near. Mateo and Jonah ran without fear. They reached the bridge, but this time instead, Mateo stepped first with no doubt in his head. No second thoughts, no looking down. The water below didn't make him frown. Jonah grinned, not scared today. Mateo laughed, fear can't stay. Step by step is the path, now I know. Face what's scary and you will grow. From that moment on, through big and small, he knew he could face fear and never fall. So kids, remember Mateo's test. When fear rises, just give your best. Courage is taking action through fear. Be clear and conquer a new frontier. Bravery means pushing through the fear, taking small steps till the path is clear. 1 foot forward, take it slow. Face your fears, let your courage show. Stand up tall.